Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys face lock setup setting, how to set up face lock, how to use face lock in Tecno mobile. One by one and friends step by step we will talk about face lock full setting. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, how to use face lock. Open your phone security setting. After on phone security setting friends, click here face unlock setting. Before set face lock friends, first of all you will have to set log screen password. Select your password type with face lock, pattern, pin and password. Friends, I will use face lock plus pattern. Next option, draw pattern for face lock. Friends, I will this pattern. Next, confirm, done option. And friends, you want to set face lock, so friends click here. Next option, remove mask and goggles. Show your face and your face lock will start, and friends you can unlock your Tecno mobile with face lock. After show face guys, click here done option and friends off your screen. After off screen friends, you want to unlock your Tecno mobile. When show your face, phone will unlock automatic, and you can draw your pattern also, and you can unlock your Tecno mobile. So friends, we will show face and friends phone will unlock automatic, you can check. And friends, don't show your face, swipe here and friends enter your pattern lock and enter your device password. You can unlock your Tecno mobile. Like that friends, we can use face lock setting. We can set up face lock in Tecno mobile. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting, open your phone security setting. Friends, open your face lock setting, draw pattern, enter password, and friends you can use face lock setting from here. And friends, you don't want to use face lock, you can delete face lock. And friends, don't delete face lock, delete your screen lock password. And friends, after delete screen lock password friends, you can see remove option. After remove, face lock will delete automatic, and friends you cannot use face lock on lock screen. You want to use face lock, first you will have to set screen lock password again, then you can start face lock and you can start fingerprint lock. Friends, you can unlock your device without password, without face lock. Swipe here, phone will unlock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.